traders, it's Anthony here. This is an important part of my process. Usually on the weekend or Monday morning, I run through and do my pre-week prep. And what I'm doing is I'm running through this list here and I'm marking up currency pairs. We've got Forex, crypto, indices, gold, so I'm going to run through these and I'll mark up in red, as you can see here, red alert. There's another one. Charts that meet my criteria. And let me show you what I'm looking for. A couple of examples. We've got Bitcoin and then we'll come back to the CAD Swiss. I have to see a combination of this green bar and these bars below majority green, at least 4 out of 5 or 3 out of 4 depending on the time frame. Here we have a strong bullish trend on the higher time frames. And this green bar tells me that the daily and the 4 hour in particular meet a certain criteria in terms of strength or momentum behind a bullish move, for example. These are green, so we're looking for bullish. So what we do is we go for these signals. We've got these green triangles and there'll be green dots, like these red dots, for example, as well. Now, if these indicators under here are green, we're looking for green signals. We ignore the red ones. So in this case, for example, there was a buy right here, and we simply mark up the price swing where the signal or the alert has fired. We look previous left to right, swing low, swing high, and then we set up either a limit order if the market hasn't retraced, or if it has retraced down in here we buy, and that's our entry. Stop goes under the previous low. There are going to be other opportunities. At some stage this will retrace and we'll see most likely another expansion. So we then wait for these signals or these alerts. See over here in the alerts, look at these opportunities. Cloud break 1 and 2. When we see another green alert, providing that these indicators under here support us, then we take the trade. So let's go back and have a look at the CAD Swissy. There's an opportunity here potentially. So this is traded up. Now all we're going to be doing with this is waiting for a retrace and either a green up triangle or a green dot that will potentially give us an opportunity. And the other thing we can do with this is simply go in with a limit buy, swing low to swing high, at the 50 to 61.8 retrace. Now we can see the 50 to 61.8. We've got this yellow line over here on the left. That's a previous daily high or low. So I'm inclined to set up my limit buy slightly above this yellow line. Target, well, this here is a previous monthly high or low. Oh no, previous monthly high I should say, and it's orange under. It's a previous weekly high or low. Okay, so there's our target. We can look to take partial profits at 1R, right? So here's our 1R right here. So that could be where we take partial profits right there. Coincides with this high. Perfect. And then we pull our stop loss up to better than break even and we trail it. And let me show you how these stack up. Green dot, up triangle. It's green under. Okay, we take the trade on the pullback here. That's just a Fibonacci pullback. We're looking for the swing low, swing high retrace. See the yellow line here? I mean the orange line, that's a previous weekly high or low. Support. There's your entry. Stop below, previous low. Target these highs. Take most of your position off at 1R. Pull your stop loss up and it's a risk-free, profitable trade. And I mean, look where that ended up. Well, if you pulled your stop loss up, you would have been taken out. But that is a profitable trade by the time you take 2/3 of your position off at 1R. You're already in the money right here. And the rest is a bonus. Now, let me show you the kind of thing that we're really looking for. I mean, yeah, these are wonderful opportunities. There's a nice payday, but this gives you the opportunity to get in early on a move like that. We'll take this trade based on the fact that we have this green bar under. This gives us the go ahead. We have 50-50 here. There's 2 green and 2 red. Okay, it's the daily and weekly are green. The 2H and the 4H are red. That's fine. Look at this rotation under here. And that is a massive payout if you've managed this well, and I mean, look at these targets. You can see how the market trades to our levels here. You can have access to our indicators. Look, there's a 30-day free trial. It's zero risk to you, absolutely no risk whatsoever. It's 100% free. Head over to the website, tradingwithanthony.com, jump on board and join us on this journey. Gain access to the indicators, our members-only tutorials. I'm going to be going through these, and there'll be another video that I'll be posting for our VIP members. And we get into the nitty-gritty, looking for opportunities, and I explain a lot more than what I've explained here. We take it to the next level and beyond. So, you know, if you're learning to trade and you want to take your trading to that next level, then definitely go for the 1 month free trial. So guys, with that, I'll be posting some ideas in our free public Telegram group, but VIP members have access to our premium trade ideas and signals with specific entries, stop losses, targets, etc. So with that, look forward to hearing from you and seeing you in VIP. Hope you have a great day. Safe trading to be continued.